Have you ever looked up at the night sky, feeling the cool air and the quiet of the universe above, and wondered about your place in it all? Maybe you've asked yourself if our universe is truly all there is, or if there might be something more, hidden worlds beyond what we can see, waiting to be discovered. Today, modern physics dares to imagine a multiverse, an endless expanse of universes, each with its own unique laws, histories, and possibilities. Some may be similar to ours, while others could be unimaginably different. Far from challenging faith, this idea can deepen our sense of awe. In fact, it beautifully echoes the Islamic tradition's reverence for Allah's limitless power and creativity. The Qur'an invites us to reflect on the vastness and mystery of creation, reminding us that what we witness is only a tiny glimpse of Allah's infinite dominion and wisdom. To consider the possibility of other universes is not to stray from faith, but to engage in a profound act of intellectual worship, embracing humility, curiosity, and wonder at the scale of creation. As we journey through the mysteries of the multiverse, let's keep our hearts and minds open, seeing every new discovery as yet another sign of Allah's unparalleled majesty and boundless creativity. What is the multiverse? It's a question that has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and thinkers for generations. The idea stretches our imagination to its limits, inviting us to consider realities far beyond our everyday experience. The multiverse is a scientific hypothesis suggesting that our universe is just one among countless others, each potentially governed by its own unique set of physical laws and constants. These universes could be radically different from ours, or eerily similar, existing in parallel or in dimensions we cannot perceive. While there's no direct evidence yet, respected theories like cosmic inflation and quantum mechanics point to this possibility. The mathematics behind these theories opens doors to realities that challenge our understanding of existence itself. The bubble universe model imagines our universe as one bubble in a vast cosmic foam, with each bubble representing a separate universe, possibly with its own history and fate. Meanwhile, the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics suggests that every quantum event, no matter how small, could spawn entirely new universes, each branching off to follow a different outcome. These ideas are truly mind-bending, painting a cosmos far more complex and mysterious than anything we can directly observe. They force us to rethink our place in the grand scheme of reality. Other universes, if they exist, would be fundamentally inaccessible to us, making the hypothesis incredibly difficult to test or confirm with current technology. For Muslims, this aligns with the Qur'anic principle that creation is vaster and more wondrous than we can ever perceive, reminding us of the infinite possibilities within God's creation. The multiverse is a testament to humanity's relentless quest for knowledge, a journey celebrated in Islam and echoed in the curiosity that drives science forward, always seeking to unveil the mysteries of the unseen. Islamic tradition has always taught that our world is just a small part of a much larger reality. Belief in the unseen is foundational, acknowledging realms beyond our senses, angels, jinn, and the seven heavens. The Quran describes these as real, distinct domains, each with its own purpose. Our eschatology includes barzakh, paradise and hell, realms beyond this life, part of the unseen. Islamic cosmology is inherently multidimensional, preparing us to accept realities beyond our perception. The multiverse, then, isn't foreign to our faith. It echoes the vastness and mystery already woven into Islamic belief. The Quran doesn't mention the multiverse directly, but it's filled with verses about the immense scale and wonder of Allah's creation. Throughout its pages, the Quran invites us to contemplate the universe, to look beyond what is immediately visible, and to reflect on the mysteries that lie beyond our understanding. The language used is often poetic, evoking a sense of awe at the sheer magnitude of existence. Allah is called Rabb al-Alamin, Lord of the Worlds, using a plural that invites expansive interpretation. This phrase suggests not just our world, but countless realms, dimensions, and realities, all under the care and dominion of the Creator. It's a reminder that the scope of divine creation is far greater than what we can perceive. Verses challenge us to look at the heavens, reminding us we'll never find a limit to Allah's creation. The Qur'an encourages us to observe the stars, the planets, and the vastness of the cosmos, urging us to recognize the signs of a boundless universe. The Qur'an speaks of an expanding universe, hinting at limitless creative power. This idea resonates with modern discoveries in cosmology, where the universe is seen as ever-growing, filled with wonders yet to be discovered. These signs cultivate awe and humility, not as scientific proofs, but as invitations to reflect. They encourage us to ponder our place in the cosmos and to approach the mysteries of existence with reverence and curiosity. When science proposes ideas like the multiverse, believers can see them as illustrations of the vastness the Qur'an alludes to. Such concepts can deepen our appreciation for the infinite possibilities within creation and remind us that our knowledge is always limited. It's another reason to proclaim, "Our Lord, you did not create this aimlessly. Exalted are you." In the face of such immensity, we are called to gratitude, wonder, and a deeper connection with the Creator of all worlds. Islam recognizes two books, the Qur'an and the universe itself, both revealing Allah's truth. Science interprets the book of creation. Theology interprets revelation. When approached with humility, they harmonize. Islam encourages seeking knowledge in all fields, seeing scientific inquiry as a way to reflect on Allah's signs. Science asks how, faith asks why. Each has its domain. A believer can embrace scientific theories like the multiverse as provisional models, not ultimate truths. Our faith remains rooted in divine revelation, unchanged by scientific speculation. The multiverse, if true, only enriches our sense of Allah's boundless dominion. Does the idea of infinite universes make our lives meaningless? Islam says no. Our accountability is tied to this life, this world, and our unique relationship with Allah. The oneness of Allah anchors our purpose, regardless of how many worlds exist. Allah's knowledge and power encompass all creation. Our significance comes from our conscious worship and stewardship. Each soul is responsible for its own actions, not for hypothetical versions in other universes. The possibility of other worlds should deepen our gratitude and sense of purpose. Out of countless possibilities, Allah chose this universe for us, making our existence a sacred trust. The vastness of creation magnifies, not diminishes, our responsibility and worth. The conversation between science and faith is not conflict but wonder. Contemplating the multiverse expands our understanding of the divine and fulfills the Quranic call to reflect. Exploring the cosmos through science or faith leads to awe, a gateway to deeper worship. Science's frontiers reveal a universe or multiverse more majestic than we imagined. This mystery strengthens faith, reminding us of Allah's infinite wisdom. Let curiosity and knowledge draw us closer to Tawheed, inspiring gratitude and stewardship. In every discovery, there's a sign for those who reflect, an invitation to stand in awe of the Creator.